Find a comfortable position. If you are seated on the floor, ground yourself through your sit bones. If you are seated in a chair, make sure that your feet are placed on the ground in front of you, hip width apart. Focus on grounding the lower portion of your body, feeling the weight of gravity sinking in. From that point, feel the alignment of your spine. From the base all the way up to the very top of your head. As you inhale, feel your spine lengthen. As you exhale, feel the relaxation of the muscles in your body flowing down towards the ground. Find comfort and stability in this position. With your shoulders back and your heart open, and your hands relaxed down either beside you or on your lap. Close your eyes. Feel the muscles in your forehead relax. Feel the eyes sink deeper into the sockets without strain. Feel the air flowing in and out of your nostrils with each breath. Relax your jaw, your tongue, and the back of your throat. Feeling that relaxation flow down to your shoulders, your arms, all the way to the tips of your fingers. Bring your awareness to the movement of your chest as it flows with the natural movement of your breath. Flowing down into your belly, noticing the subtle movement as your belly moves with the breath. And again, connecting with the groundedness at the base of your spine. Feeling that energy, that relaxation flow down through the muscles in your legs, your quads, your hamstrings, your knees, your calves, your ankles, all the muscles in your feet, down to the very tips of your toes. Complete stillness within.